DevOps. What is DevOps? DevOps is a software development process that emphasizes communication and collaboration between product management, software management, and operation professionals. DevOps also automates the process of software integration, testing, deployment, and infrastructure changes. It aims to establish a culture and environment where building, testing, and release software can happen rapidly, frequently, and more. DevOps require source code management, scripting, continuous integration tools, virtualization, cloud computing platforms, provisioning, monitoring, alerting, log aggregation. Please subscribe my channel for DevOps in depth. Thanks for watching.